Hi, this is Mr. Childs. As you could see, I am not feeling well today. My wife, Margie, has COVID, and I believe I'm pretty close to getting it here, although tested negative this morning. So I'm going to send you a lesson today. If you remember, we have kind of gone back to the basics. I had you do an assignment on fractions last Friday, and that was adding and subtracting fractions. So today I thought it would be a good thing to move on to multiplying and dividing fractions. Got my little, I hope this is going to work. You work with me, and I think we can work this all out. This is what I'll do. I'll give the lesson, and then I'll make a quick worksheet, write some problems up, and send them over Google Drive and post them on the classroom. So I think that'll work out quite well. So let's do that. Let's start with multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions. Now, the key to that, if we have, let's say we multiply 3/4 times 7/8. Okay, 3/4 times 7/8. So the first thing you do is look diagonally, the 3 and the 8. The 3 and the 8, is there anything in common between the 3 and the 8, a common multiple, other than themselves of 3 and 8? The answer is no. Is there anything common between 4 and 7? The answer is no. If there was, you could cross cancel by that common divisor, but there isn't. So in this case, you just multiply straight across, and 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. And you end up with uh, 21 over 32. Now, you need to say to yourself after you're done, is there anything that will divide evenly into 21 and 32? And the answer would be no, there is not, other than one. So your final answer is 21 over 32. All right, let's do one where there is a common divisor. Let me think of one. How about 10 over 20 times 5 over 15. So we're going to multiply 10/20ths times 5 over 15. And this is what we'll do. We'll look and see, is there any common divisor between, least common multiple between 10 and 15? And there is. There's 5. We'll go into both of them. So we divide 5 in here and get 2, and divide 5 in here and get 3. Is there anything common between 5 and 20? Once again, 5. So 5 into 5 goes 1 time. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. Now, back to multiplying straight across again. 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 times 3 is 12. Answer, 2/12. Now, that final step once again, which is there anything that will divide into 2 and 12 evenly other than 1? And the answer is yes, 2. So we'll divide 2 into top and bottom and get 1/6. Okay, 1/6. So why don't we do this? I'll put together a worksheet, and half of them will be on multiplying and half of them will be on dividing. So that was the multiplying one. So let me clear the board here and move on to division of fractions. I'm not going to write it. I'm just going to do it. Okay, division of fractions. So let's think. Once again, 7/8 divided by, let's go with 5/12. Okay, 7/8 divided by 5/12. All right, so the first thing we'll want to do is a little mnemonic, and a lot of you have learned this in middle school, and it is called what is it called? Oh no, keep, flip, something like that. I forgot the mnemonic. All right, sorry, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. 7/8 stays the same, and then we're going to change that to, that was stay, change, flip. So we're going to change this to multiply. So 7/8 stays the same. This changes to multiply, and then the second number flips over, 12/5. Okay, so you end up with that. Then you go back and do the rules that you did before, just like with multiply. So you see if there's anything you can cross cancel. Now, 7 and 5, there's nothing other than 5 you can do, so there's nothing you can do with that. 2, 8, and 12 you can, though. You can divide by 2 and get a 4, and then divide by 2 and get a 6. Then you multiply straight across again. 7 times 6 is 42, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now, looking at that, I can tell that's an improper fraction, so I'm going to need to do something about it. So I'm going to divide the 20 into 42 and get 2 whole ones. And how much is left over after you do that? 2 over the divisor, the numerator, the denominator, of 20. 2 and 2/20. Then you have to say to yourself, is there anything I can do to 2/20? You know you can divide 2 into both. So that gives you 2, 1/10. Final answer, 2 and 1/10. Okay? 2 and 1/10. So what I'm going to do now is sit down and get some paper, and I'm going to write some problems. Half of them will be on multiplying and half will be on division. I'll take a picture of them, I'll scan them, and I will put them on the Google website, just where you're seeing this. Okay, have a good day, and hopefully I will be feeling better and not COVID positive on Thursday, and I'll be back with you. I know you feel the same way, huh? I bet you. Anyway, we'll see you later, and look for that under assignments, the worksheet with fractions. Bye.